In this video, we will show you how to create both age-applied and member-selected registrant categories to be used for registration for the online calendar. We have two different types of categories, and the first one is that age-applied category, which will actually show the age ranges within the event for you. So for example, let's take a look at our live calendar, and let's look at our ladies aqua. So we're just going to go into register, let's add a member, and that's what the age-applied category looks like. Note that we cannot duplicate a name, whether it's being used in our age-applied or our member-selected, so the name does have to be unique or you will get an error message. The same applies with the max age. If we are currently using an age, we cannot duplicate it. You might also notice that we don't see any minimum ages, and that's because the system will automatically generate that based on the registrant categories you have here, as well as which ones you choose for your event. Right? So to create a new category, just look for that new category button. And for this one, let's call it teenager. Okay, so again, looking at those ages, we have 12 taken, so maybe we want our teenager to go up to 18. Okay, then we can click that green check mark to save our changes. Now we can always go back in and edit that category, and just like with your categories and locations, we cannot delete a registrant category if it's already been in use at some point for an event. In that case, you do have the disable and enable options. However, we haven't used this registrant category on our calendar, so we're going to go ahead and remove it. Next is the member selected categories, and these are the different types of membership categories that you have at your club. We can add one the same way, so clicking that new category button, and again, remember, we can't duplicate a name. Okay, so you see adult here. If I try and add adult and click that save button, you'll see we get that error message. So another little trick, if we go in and edit that, instead of putting adult, we can put adults, okay, and save our changes. However, again, I also don't want this registrant category, so I'm just going to remove it. One important thing to note is that on the registrant categories page, there is no save button. Okay, we have a save button in categories and locations. However, in registrant categories, your changes will save automatically for you.